Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Dropbox Smart Sync for fast selective syncing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Dropbox on your computer. If you don't have it installed, download it from the official Dropbox website and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, log in to your Dropbox account. After logging in, locate the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar. Click on the Dropbox icon to open the Dropbox menu. In the menu, select your profile picture or initials at the top right corner. From the drop-down, choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Sync tab. Look for the section labeled Smart Sync. Ensure that Smart Sync is enabled. If it is not, toggle the setting to activate it. Next, close the Preferences window. Now, navigate to your Dropbox folder. Locate the files or folders you wish to adjust for Smart Sync. Right-click on the desired files or folders. In the context menu, hover over the Smart Sync option. You will see two options, local and online only. Select online only for files or folders you want to keep in the cloud but not take. For files you want to access frequently and have available offline, select local. Repeat this process for any other files or folders. Once you've made your selections, Dropbox will begin syncing your settings. You can monitor the syncing process by checking the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar. After syncing is complete, the selected files will be configured for Smart Sync. You've now successfully configured Dropbox Smart Sync for fast selective syncing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.